Assalamu alaikum. Myself Amin Shadarani and my ID number is 221 So today's my presentation topic is the review of employability 360 course or course outline. So the first thing is introduction. Why employability is important? Employability is a thing that we can use in our all over life, not only before the achieving a job. It can also helpful in order to fulfilling the job, and also in our regular day-to-day if job task. So it's also important whenever we are searching or looking for a job, and even when we are the employer or we are the employer, and then also it's also useful. That's how the employability is important. The next for employability, we can access some self-assessment, which is also helpful to understand ourselves. The first thing, we can use the ikigai, which used in Japan, and so we can also question ourselves, what is ourselves, and why we are achieving our future life goals. The next is SWOT analysis. It's a SWOT analysis not on the any company or not for any organization. It's the analysis on ourselves. What is our strength? What is our opportunity? What is our weakness? What could be our threaten in our future life or our future job life, etc. Then the next topic is third party feedback. We can also get some information about ourselves from the third party, and in that way we can easily understand ourselves and our behavior and other stuffs also. Then the pillars of employability. For the pillars of employability, the first thing is the personal positive attributes. Personal positive attribute is very much important, because if our personal attribute is not positive, then we can't progress in our regular job life or our future job lives. And then the good human relationship is important in terms of our teamwork or our official team groups, and then the relation between our group mates or teammates is important. Not only that, we can also include the other peoples which are also are the regular part in our regular life. Then the superior work performance. Always do some work in the superior level, so that the employer of ourselves very much pleased to us in by our working methods or by our performance. Then it comes to career planning. Whenever it's come career planning, we have a long time goal settlement, because career is not a small part in our life. It's the whole life we are leading, and we are approaching. So that's why career planning is a lot of wide thing in our whole life. And for career planning, we need some skills such as hard skill and soft skill. So hard skill, I would suggest some technical skill, computer skill, analytics skill, marketing skill, presentation skill, and also language skill. In this course, I learned about some technical skill which can be helpful in our day-to-day work life. And the computer skill, the basic computer skill is very much needed in any kind of job in today's market. Then the analytics skill, for any kind of job, analytics skill is important. And marketing skill. Today's world, marketing is something anybody can do or anybody can achieve easily, because it's a very technological based environment in all over the world. And then the presentation skill also helpful in our job life, because whenever we are presenting ourselves, it should be proper and with proper etiquette. And the language skill is needed whenever we do business or do any kind of job in terms of other countries or other continents, such as the English is the medium of language in all over the world. So English is very important whenever we do job in other countries or other countries employers also. Then it comes to the soft skill. In soft skill we can do many types of skills such as leadership skill, critical thinking skills, teamwork, negotiation, etc. Leadership is important whenever we're leading a team. Not only that, leading a team means we can also control and making decision all over the teams do the job fulfilling in our company or organization. Adaptability is also an important skill whenever we adapt in a new environment, and that's why adaptability skill is important. And creativity, today's the time creativity is important because in terms of new thinking or new innovation, we have to be creative. And then teamwork and negotiation. In teamwork, we have to lead the team properly, and if we are the member of team, we can communicate with others properly so that the team can progress in well manners. And the negotiation skill is important, and we have always remember that negotiation means not only the win side of us, it also the win side of the others. So it's the win-win situation both for us. That's the proper negotiation skills. And the next part is tech savvy. It means in today's world there are many technological advantage. We can use the technological advantage in our work life so that we can progress our work in a smart way, not the hard way. Smart way means do work in multiple thinking or multiple sector. That's why hard way means the only one way to work or done a job, when smart way is the multiple way to complete a specific job. Then we can use some workplace tools such as communications tools. In communication tools we can also use the official letters, email and application, which we can complete by application or many types of application tools. Then the administration tools, for example the file management. If we can't manage the file application properly, then we can miss the file and getting in the bigger problem in our work life. Then the email presentation, what's the proper way to write an email, or what the proper way write an letters, an application, and making the proper presentation is also included in here. Then holding a telephone or messaging tools such as Messenger, WhatsApp, etc. Using those tools also be helpful in our workplace. Then the last but not the least is personal branding. Personal branding means introduce ourselves in the job market with a proper way. For that we can use some social such as Facebook, LinkedIn, etc. For that we can use a proper CV, video resume, or share our experience about the many kind of seminars or many kind of tours, and that's all could be shared in LinkedIn and other social platform to known to others about ourselves and our experience also. And the next part is applying to the job. So applying to the job is basically the fulfilling all other part such as completing CV and video resume, etc. And then attend a job interview. There is a 3 part of in job interview, such as before the job interview, during the job interview, and after the job interview. So we have to know about these 3 stages and other stuffs. So last but the conclusion. In conclusion, I would like to say employability is important in our whole life, not just a shorter time of our life. It depends in our whole life, from the starting to finding a job to completing our whole career. So that's all from me. I hope you like it. Thank you.